Hello, welcome back to English with Patricia. I know sometimes you guys are thinking about when we can hide or not use the word that in a sentence. So today I have got 5 sentences showing you examples of times where you do not need to use the word that. And it's not necessarily wrong using that in some of those examples, but when you remove it, you sound so much more natural, and I think that's what you want. Am I right? Okay, sentence number 1. First of all, I'm going to tell you the sentence with, and I'll tell you without for you to see, okay? Number 1, I'm happy that you like it. In English, we say, I'm happy you like it. We don't need to say that you like it. We just say, I'm happy you like it. I'm happy you like it. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you got the job. I'm happy your baby is healthy. You don't need to use that in those sentences. Is it wrong? No, but you don't need it. So there you go. Number 2, that's the restaurant that I like. So the first that you cannot hide. You need that one, okay? Because you're saying that, like that is the restaurant. So you need that word, okay? Otherwise it doesn't make sense. But the second that you don't need. So that's the restaurant I like. You don't need to say that's the restaurant that I like. Just that's the restaurant I like. That's the film I told you about. That's the girl I'm dating. That's the food I love. That's it. You don't need to say that I love, that I'm dating, that I... No. Next one is good. I think that this is important. Don't need that. Just, I think this is important. I think this is important. I think this is bad. I think this is good. I think this is wonderful. I think this is terrible. Know that. Next one, I told him that I'm pregnant. Is it wrong? No, but you don't need it. I told him I'm pregnant. I told you you're late. I told them they're busy. I told him he's an asshole. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Where did that come from? It's important for you guys to understand when you don't need to use that. And looking at a rule, okay, fine, no probs, but you don't need me for rules. Really, rules are just on Google. Just, you know. My job is to make rules accessible. It's to make you see beyond rules. That's quite pretty, isn't it? Next one. I know that it's late, but I need to talk. You can just say, I know it's late, but I need to talk. I know you're busy, but I need to see you. You don't need to say, I know that you're busy. So when you say, I know, there's no need for that. You just know something. I know it. I know this job is terrible. I know that girl makes a wonderful Sunday roast, maybe? There you go. So, guys, my job today was to bring sentences to you that you can easily adapt to real life situations, okay? If you just look at those structures, all of those structures can be adapted. It's just for you to see clearly how you don't need to use that all of the time. We use that so much more in Portuguese than we need in English. So pay attention, learn to listen, observe. Everything you need to know is right in front of you. Learn to look. Most importantly, learn to see, okay? Thank you for being here with me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.